Hi friends, today we understand the unconscious behavior and how we 24 elements Vedic model use in cleansing it. By cleansing this all negative emotions, thoughts and experiences by techniques of 24 elements Vedic model, you can shift your behavior in any person, either it's a disabled children's, teenagers or even in adults also. So whatever you are not able to process, your emotions, thoughts, or any kind of experiences that can create a problem in your mind and it will come out as a behavior. So 24 elements Vedic model already we have given a lot of information on it. So today we are start with the unconscious behavior patterns. So unconscious behavior 24 Vedic models. It is a philosophy of technique and detail is given in another videos. And memories are like a mobile, whatever the information you are feeding in a mobile and saving the same way our mind is feeding their systems, emotion, thoughts and experiences. And according to it, only it can run. Say for example, if you are having a Zoom app or if you are having a WhatsApp app, the software is there, then only you can use it in a physical form. So same way, we use our mind basically. If we understand, then it's very easy how to lead our life and how to process or bypass our emotions and thought patterns, whatever is not fruitful to us. And another figure, we are standing on our experiences basically, whether it is a negative or positive, and the same way it's branch out and we experience the life. And behavior is whatever our experience, we behave in the same way, either it's angry, frustrated, depressed, sleeping issue, or if we are having a positive experiences, then we experience in the form of joy, happiness, calm and peace, and we are cooperative to self, in a family and in a society. What is unconscious emotions? It is our past experiences, as I say, and it is undigested experiences. And that's why it's very difficult to understand and we express in a different kind of negative behavior patterns. The therapist identify it and they help you to correct. And it's very easy by 24 elements Vedic model. And you can shift or upgrade your mind same way as we upgrade our mobile software. So it's that easy. And what is behaving, the way we act or react into external or internal stimuli, that is our behavior basically. So whatever the information we have within our mind and what the environment is there externally, we act in that, whatever the information we have gathered in our mind and that process the information and the response has come out in the form of behavior. What is the internal stimulation? That is the personal experiences, information we have gathered within our mind and genetically carry forward informations also very important. And there are a lot of research on it and it's confirmed by a psychologist or researcher who have worked along with that, and they have confirmed that personal experiences and genetically carry forward informations are very important, playing a very important role in our behavior management. Genetic information is a very common information in that family members, but sometimes what happened, it is dormant in a previous generation, but now the generation who is suffering, it's not possible for them uh, to process it, and in any kind of problems, either it's a behavior, it's a DNA shift, or there are lots of things, it can be expressed. And nowadays it's very easy for us also, we can You want to check the DNA by testing it, and we can confirm the behavior divides produce, whether it's a genetic or not. So genetic tests are very useful to find out this kind of information if the person is having a vigorous or severe issues. But by gathering the informations from the family members also, like the psychologist gather information, they can identify and find out without the DNA test also. And there's genetic informations, whatever we gathered, that can come out as a behavioral issues or genetic disorders. And sometimes the muscles and your sensory systems and everything is involved. And sometimes it's just a violent behavior, aggressive, depressive, anxious behavior. Only sometimes it's a fearful. So there are various kind of response come out if we are having a unprocessed information. Genetic information, it can change our behavior, it can change our level of hormones, sleep and wake cycle, memory, sensory system, muscle tone, organ health, and there are many other things. And it processes at the 3 level, brainstem level, limbic system level, and frontal lobe. And at brainstem level, hyperarousal, sleep wake cycle is disturbed, pain, hypersensitivity, immature reflex, development in children. At limbic system level, emotional regulation, disturbance, stubborn behavior, angry or annoyed, need a constant attention, hugging and kissing all the time, etc. There are various kind of response comes. At higher level, that cognitive development is compromised, communication, speech is a problem, sensory system is not able to gather information at fullest potential, and the structure mind is creating, it's not a full, it's a disturbed structure, and disturbed structure can give us a immature response, hormone imbalance, immunity, and other issues at a physical level also it can produce. What is the external stimulation? External stimulations, if we go for a very deepest aspect that experience during mother wombs, what we have experienced, birth to 7 years life is a very important, because at that time the logical mind is not developed. Whatever the information we are gathering, that is a true for that person's, because subconscious mind do not understand it logically, whether it is a right or wrong. Whatever it is, it's just process, and it makes your base of life, and further you are going to lead your life on these experiences. So it is very important how to behave when the child is growing, because it can affect your adulthood life also. And children are affected by various kind of disorder, autism, ADHD, and aggressions, and there are a lot of things we can find out in the children's also. So if you face a war, poverty, if the parents are fighting, that kind of experiences if the children are having in their life, their behavior might be distorted for the further process of life. So it is very important in a growing age what kind of environment they are processing basically. Subconscious mind level, everything is true as I said, because the logical execution is child is just developing. It's like in a soil, if you sow a mango tree or if you sow a cactus tree, both can grow. It's the same way subconscious mind is like that only. Whatever the seed you sow, the fruits comes accordingly. In 24 elements Vedic model, by using a model, we change all these forces which gets charged by emotions, thoughts, and various kind of experiences. It is the very fastest and easiest way to release all these experiences, and you can update your mind, you can change your mind as we update or upgrade our mobile software. So it is a very easiest way basically to change yourself. Okay, so this is the unconscious behavior pattern from where we are gathering the information. So it's a genetic information, and during womb to age of the 7 is a very critical time to process all this information, and logical mind is particularly not developed. So it is very important to take care of this time so we can give a nice base to our child to stand on that, and they can having a fruitful life ahead, and they cannot express their life in a form of stress, depression, and anxiety. If still they are facing it, 24 elements Vedic model is the fastest and easiest way. You can release all this information as we uh, upgrade our software in a mobile. Same way you can upgrade your mind. So if you are interested, you can contact me personally. We are having a WhatsApp group, Facebook group, and YouTube channels. Every information is given there. You can contact me personally. Thank you.